Guys, you do not ever tamper with the fire alarm in any building in any way. You do not take it off the wall. You do not adjust the volume or the coding. You do not take the strobe off of the fire alarm. And you don't ever remove the lettering on the side of the fire alarm. You don't ever completely mute the fire alarm. And you don't ever take the fire alarm off the wall or ceiling or throw it. You don't ever remove a smoke detector. You do not ever paint the fire alarm. You do not ever pull a pole station unless there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do it during a drill in your school, or if you have permission to test the fire alarm system in a building, or if you have your own pole station. Also, you do not ever open pole stations to see what's inside of it. I mean, you don't ever pull fire alarms, you don't ever tamper with fire alarms, and you don't ever vandalize fire alarms. Only pull them if there's a real fire. Bye.